Hi, Tom. We've come to check out your hotel room here at the Four Seasons Atlanta. You've got here a Midtown premier room with a king-size bed. And if it's anything like the beautiful lobby downstairs, this is going to be an amazing room. The hotel's 19 floors. Here's a map, and we are on floor 18. We are unfortunately not in this giant suite here. We're in one of these little rooms, but let's take a look around and see what we think. All right, here in the foyer area is a little closet. We've got a nice big safe, a couple of slippers there, lots of wooden and padded hangers, and an iron and an ironing board. A nice Four Seasons bag. There's even an umbrella hiding in there. So, very nice and handy. There is a nice full-size mirror past this connecting door. There's Tom over there. Here's me over here. The restroom here is pretty nice. It's got a little toilet. It's not a fully separated toilet, but you have a nice little area over here with some artwork and a telephone. Got a little stand here with a hair dryer and some towels. That bath mat there is very fluffy, but here's the sink. Got some towels, and this is a natural bliss product. Some soap. Inside the shower, you actually, let's see, pull open this giant glass door. We've got some nice big size toiletry products here. A nice tall shower head. We also have a wand unit, which is nice. It's a nice large shower. There's no sort of footstool or a seat, but it's beautiful. And after your shower, you can cozy up with some of these robes here. As you admire yourself in this giant lighted mirror. There's also this little side mirror over here. Everything in this bathroom is super clean and beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the room itself though. All right, as you come in, you're greeted by this giant entertainment center. And in fact, you can actually see a personalized greeting on the TV. There's a mini bar here and a Nespresso coffee maker, a Bose stereo system, and a phone. There's some nice outlets here for you to plug into if you're sitting on this nice little sofa on the side. A couple of books down here for you to peruse. Nice big drawers. This side has a mini bar. This is nice. They give you a corkscrew in case you bring your own beverages, or use some of theirs, I suppose. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, the refrigerator here is fully stocked, so you're not going to be able to bring your own things. But you have lots to choose from here. The furniture here is a little stiff, but it is beautiful. Nice gray color, leather-ish padded seat, nice little wood accents. Nice big armchair over here. And then the bed and nightstands. Looking on the nightstand here, got some shoe bags. Let's see, does this open up? Doesn't look like it opens up. There are some USB ports and some outlets at the nightstand, which is convenient. Nice lamp. This bed looks very comfortable. Nice artwork. Another nightstand over here with a clock and radio. The bed itself has a giant headboard. It's got a nice pattern to it. It's probably hard to see in the video here, but you have the Four Seasons logo on the pillow. They give you a giant selection of pillows here, so you'll have no problem sleeping in this big comfortable bed. And lastly, let's take a look at the view out the window. Now this is Atlanta, so we're not expecting much, but you have a nice view of Midtown here. Some skyscrapers.
So the Four Seasons is probably one of the top tier hotels in Atlanta, and as such it has some pretty good amenities. Two main restaurants, well, a bar, restaurant, and then a restaurant, and a spa, and a really nice fitness center, and a indoor pool and a hot tub, which we'll use a little bit later. And I noticed the men's changing room had nice showers, a sauna, and is fully stocked with everything you need, like hair gel. I don't need any hair gel, but deodorant and all those kind of things, and a locker room for you to change downstairs. So thanks for watching.